My name is Michael Waddington. I'm a criminal defense lawyer. And Article 91 of the UCMJ deals with willfully disobeying the lawful order of a non-commissioned or petty officer. This charge carries up to 1 year in prison per charge, per specification, and a bad conduct discharge and forfeiture of all pay and allowances. If you are suspected of or charged with willfully disobeying the lawful order of a non-commissioned officer or petty officer, then call now to speak with one of our experienced military defense attorneys.